What's up, guys? Well, if you've seen the description, you know this is actually coming up for sale. It is a 1955 Wolseley 444. Now, the story behind this. This does belong to my buddy Andy, and this was going to be one of the project cars. We had hoped to have gotten into this actually last summer, but with one thing and another it didn't happen, and we've just reached the point that we've got so many other things sitting around the yard here that still need to be worked on. We're just not going to get to it. I mean, it's that simple. So rather than it just sit here and rust away, putting it up for sale, obviously as a project, and yeah, so it's up for grabs. Now, the vehicle's basically complete. It's got quite a nice interior to go with it. As far as I'm aware, everything is there. You can see in the photographs in the actual marketplace ad. But the only thing that this vehicle doesn't have is an engine. So, basically it is a complete car. We've got a full interior, all the body class, etc. except for the engine. Anyway, let's have a quick walk around the car. So as you can see, I mean, it's 1955. She has been worked on quite extensively by the previous owner. Obviously, I mean, basically everything's there bar the engine and radiator. I'd have to check, I don't know if there's a radiator. But again, I'll put that in the ad if there is. But yeah, she has had a few repairs. There's been a repair done to this lower edge of this door, which you'd kind of expect for something on this age. But when you get into all of these sills and in and out of sills and floor pan and all of that, I mean, goddamn, she's in good nick. I mean, yeah, she's looking a bit rough, but I mean, that's cosmetic. I mean, this is all solid metal. There's no filler or anything in there. Same goes for all the floor pans and everything. I mean, you can see it's all just solid metal. But on the inside of the door, I mean, yeah, you can see there where that door was repaired. But otherwise, that door's, you know. And look at the shut lines on her. I mean, this is a 1955 car. Yeah, Tesla could take a few notes from this. I mean, these body lines are just so nice on her. Yeah, and same in here. I mean, everything is just solid. As you get around doors, everything's just nice and solid there. That's the bumpers in there. But as you can see, it's just such a nice old vehicle. I don't know if this... I think this has got... Yeah, it's latched. There's some photographs in the... you'll see some photographs inside the boot on the ad, on the marketplace ad. The latch is actually on there and it's latched, and I don't want to stick my finger in and try and open it. But anyway, moving on. Again, nice and solid around here. I'm quite sad. This was going to be a really nice project car, this. But we thought about doing maybe a little hint of a, you know, sort of 70s custom on it. Nothing too radical, not cutting any bodywork or anything like that. Maybe just a period correct set of alloys or something like that. With the MG engine. But, yeah, again, I mean, those lines are just so good. It's amazing a car of this age, just how well put together this was. And again, I mean, everything in here is all nice and solid, all solid metal. I mean, you can see inside the doors there. I mean, there's rust in there, but it's all just surface. Yeah, nice old steering wheel. Dashboard, again, I will have to check with Andy about this. I'm not sure if the dashboard is still there. I think it is. But again, information like that I will put in the ad. But yeah, obviously the bonnet isn't actually bolted up, it's just sat on there. But yeah, there she is. So, as I said, all the body glasses there, interiors there, bumpers obviously, and yeah, that's it. If you are interested, click the link below. Don't message me on here because I'm very busy at the moment and I don't check the messages on here daily. Usually it's about once a week, maybe a little bit longer. So pop down to the Facebook ad and you'll be able to contact me from there, and then I'll give you Andy's details, which he is the one that's actually dealing with it. It's his car. So there we have it. Just a nice old car. It's going to make somebody an absolutely cracking project. So click the link below and see what you think. Take care and have a good one.